Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to perform language translation in Python using Googletrans library. So the first step is to go to PyCharm. I'm using PyCharm preferences, and you need to click this plus sign to install Googletrans library. So I've already installed it, so there's no need for me to install it. I'm using the version 3.1.0a. So I'm using this version 3.1.0a0. Alright, then we need to type a few lines of code. So we type from Googletrans import translator, and then translator function. Let's first print the list of languages we have available. Let's find out how many languages we have available in this library. We run this code. Voila, we have a list of languages. There's a lot of them, a lot of languages. Chinese, Dutch, English, Estonian, Finnish, French. Nice. Alright, so how we comment this line? I will write something like out translate. I will translate from English to French, for example. Let's try. I will say something. You are beautiful. And I will translate it in French. FR stands for French, so in order to print the result, you need to write print out test. Okay, let's run the code. Voila, we have our translation. Tu es belle. Okay, let's translate from English to Finnish. Sinä olet kaunis. Our code is working just fine. So we have our language translator program. I hope you found some value in this video. Feel free to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time.